Good morning, children. Myself, Swati, English faculty from Talapadmati International School. So, children, today we are going to learn about Helen Keller. It was the summer of 1880. In 1880, it was a summer, and in that year, a healthy baby girl was born in a small town, Alabama, and her parents loved her very much and named her Helen Keller. But one day, what happened? The baby became very ill, and day by day, she was becoming ill. She was suffering with fever. Everyone in the family tried to help her to get better, but she was not getting better. So, their family members told that there is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live. But what happened? Helen Keller lived. But she was not the same after her illness. And her mother found out that something is going wrong. As they found out what was wrong, so mother identified that she could not hear or see. Now she was a very small baby. The baby grew into a little girl. Her parents felt sorry. Now, even if we are not active, our parents will feel very bad. Isn't it? If we are suffering with fever also, they will worry about us. In the same way, Helen Keller parents were worrying about her. And Helen often cried and held on to her mother, give the poor child what she wants, and whatever she used to ask, her parents used to give her. Though Helen could not hear or see, but she was a bright girl. Some people thought that Helen could not learn because she cannot see and hear. So Helen's mother said that no, she is a smart girl, she can learn. She did not agree with others' words. She said and added, the problem is how can we reach her? Now Helen's mother was thinking about her. Sometimes Helen used to lock her inside and she used to behave differently. She used to not even allow anyone to come into her room or comb her hair, or always her clothes were dirty. She often gets angry on others. Sometimes she will lay on the floor and kick her feet. So she used to behave differently. So her parents thought that they should find a teacher for Helen. So in the meanwhile, what happened? They found a teacher and her name was Miss Sullivan. She was very young and agreed to help Helen. Now Miss Sullivan started her classes. She gave Helen a doll and asked her to spell D-O-L-L. Helen started spelling. She spelled the word with her fingers into Helen's hand. She made the letters with special hand signs. So children, here she cannot see and she cannot hear. So she can't read. So with the help of fingers, she used to learn the words. Helen copied her teacher and spelled D-O-L-L too. But she did not understand what she was doing. Really, in the first time, if we see and hear, sometimes we are unable to understand. But Helen could not hear and see. How can she understand? Because as it was first class, she was unable to understand. Helen liked Miss Sullivan. So, Helen's teacher, she never get angry on Helen. She used to be very strict, but she is very kind. So Miss Sullivan was very kind, so Helen liked her a lot. She spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hands day and night to make Helen understand. So Miss Sullivan teacher used to help Helen to learn words a lot. One day her teacher made Helen put her hand into running water. So in this way she used to help Helen Keller to learn a lot of words. So children, you can see there are so many signs A to Z. You can also practice using these signs. With the help of these signs, Sullivan made Helen Keller to learn different words. Thank you, Swati, English faculty.